Here's I'll show you how to add or insert text field in PDF with Acrobat. Go to Tool section and click on Prepare Form. Click on Start, and before Edit we have to save our PDF file. So just go ahead and save your PDF file. And here you get this Add a text field option. So just select this text field option. Now go ahead and add your text field. Let's add another text field. Just like this, you can add multiple text fields. Now, in order to customize any text field, right click on the text field, open properties, select appearance, and here you can add a border. You can also add a fill color. So I'm adding fill color and border. I'm selecting no border. And you can customize your text field, font size, text color, font family. So go ahead and adjust your settings from here, and then click on close, clicking on preview. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added text field.